Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest ingenious inventions for homeowners that will take their homes to another level? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present ingenious inventions for homeowners that will take their homes to another level. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1. Product name: Canopy 10-foot Patio Umbrella. The Canopy 10-foot Patio Umbrella is a robust and versatile outdoor shade solution designed for various outdoor spaces such as backyards, gardens, decks, and pool areas. This umbrella stands out due to its large 10-foot canopy, which provides ample coverage and protection from the sun. One of its key features is its windproof design, ensuring stability and durability even in windy conditions. Additionally, the umbrella is equipped with a cantilever structure, allowing for an unobstructed shaded area beneath it, as there is no central pole to get in the way. This makes it particularly useful for creating a comfortable and usable outdoor living space. A standout feature of the Canopy umbrella is its 360-degree rotation capability, which allows for easy adjustment and repositioning of the shade without the need to move the entire base. This feature enhances its convenience and functionality, making it adaptable to the changing position of the sun throughout the day. Product 2. Product name: Basin Drain Kit Downspout Extender. The Basin Drain Kit Downspout Extender is a practical solution designed to enhance rainwater management around your home. Specifically, the low-profile Catch Basin Drain Kit Downspout Extender comes with a 12-inch by 12-inch catch basin and flexible pipe that can be stretched up to 16.4 feet. This system is engineered to efficiently capture and redirect rainwater from your gutter downspouts, reducing the risk of water damage to your foundation and landscaping. Key features: 12-inch by 12-inch catch basin. The catch basin is sizable enough to collect significant amounts of rainwater from downspouts, preventing overflow. Its low-profile design allows it to be discreetly installed, blending seamlessly with your lawn or garden. Flexible pipe. The pipe can extend up to 16.4 feet, providing ample length to divert water away from your home's foundation. Its flexibility ensures easy installation around obstacles and adaptability to various landscapes. Durability. Constructed from robust materials, the kit is built to withstand harsh weather conditions and resist wear and tear over time. Product 3. Product name: Suncast 33-gallon Hideway Can. The Suncast 33-gallon Hideway Can is a practical and aesthetically pleasing solution for managing outdoor waste. Constructed from durable resin, this outdoor trash can is designed to withstand various weather conditions, making it ideal for use in backyards, decks, or patios. With a substantial capacity of 33 gallons, it provides ample space for everyday trash, ensuring that outdoor areas remain clean and tidy. Key features of the Suncast 33-gallon Hideway can include its robust resin material, which resists fading, denting, and peeling. The design also incorporates a convenient lid that keeps waste securely covered, helping to contain odors and keep pests at bay. The lid is easily accessible, ensuring that depositing and removing trash is a straightforward process. Moreover, the Hideway aspect of its name reflects its design philosophy. The trash can's aesthetic blends seamlessly with various outdoor decors, effectively hiding unsightly waste from view. This makes it not only a functional item, but also a visually appealing addition to any outdoor setting. Product 4. Product name: Home Flex Level 2 EV Charger NACS. The Home Flex Level 2 EV Charger NACS is a versatile and efficient electric vehicle (EV) charging solution designed to meet the needs of modern EV owners. Compatible with a variety of electric vehicles, including Tesla models, this charger offers several key features and benefits. Level 2 charging. The charger provides Level 2 charging, which is significantly faster than standard Level 1 chargers. This means it can deliver more miles of range per hour of charging, making it ideal for overnight charging or quick top-ups during the day. NACS compatibility. The charger uses the North American Charging Standard, NACS, ensuring it meets regional specifications and compatibility standards. This helps ensure a reliable and safe charging experience for EV owners. NEMA 14 to 50 outlet. Equipped with a NEMA 14 to 50 outlet, the charger operates on a 240V power supply. This type of outlet is commonly used for large appliances and is known for its robust power delivery, making it suitable for high-demand devices like EV chargers. Flexibility and convenience. The Home Flex Level 2 EV charger offers flexibility in installation and use. It can be installed in various locations, such as garages, driveways, or dedicated charging spots, providing convenience for homeowners and ensuring their vehicle is always ready to go. Product 5. Product name: Motion Sensor Cascading Style LED Stair Lighting Kit. The Intelligent Motion Sensor Cascading Style LED Stair Lighting Kit KMG 3233 is a sophisticated lighting solution designed to enhance the safety and aesthetic appeal of staircases. This kit features an aluminum LED light bar that measures 23.6 inches, 60 centimeters, in length, making it suitable for various staircase dimensions. Applications: residential stairs. Enhance the safety and aesthetic appeal of home staircases. Commercial buildings. Provide functional and decorative lighting in office buildings, hotels, and other commercial spaces. Public spaces. Improve visibility and safety in public staircases, such as in shopping malls and airports. Product 6. Product name: Bestway Salo Spa Boracay Airjet. The Bestway Salo Spa Boracay Airjet is an inflatable hot tub designed to accommodate 2 to 4 people, making it an ideal option for small gatherings or a relaxing soak for couples. This round, portable outdoor spa features 120 soothing airjet massage jets, providing a therapeutic and luxurious experience. The hot tub comes with a cover, ensuring that it stays clean and retains heat when not in use. The Salo Spa Boracay Airjet combines convenience and comfort, offering a portable solution that can be set up almost anywhere with ease. Its inflatable design allows for quick assembly and disassembly, making it perfect for those who want the flexibility to move their spa as needed or store it away during the off-season. The durable construction ensures longevity, while the airjet system delivers a powerful yet gentle massage to soothe muscles and relieve stress. This hot tub is not only functional, but also comes with features that enhance user experience. The included cover helps maintain the temperature of the water, reduces energy consumption, and keeps debris out, ensuring the spa is always ready for use. The control panel is user-friendly, allowing for easy adjustments to the water temperature and jet. Product 7. Product name: Wall Mount Range Hood. A wall mount range hood is an essential appliance for maintaining a clean and odor-free kitchen environment. The 30-inch wall mount range hood described here offers a versatile solution for modern kitchens, combining powerful performance with advanced features and sleek design. Benefits: enhanced air quality, efficiently removes smoke, steam, and cooking odors, contributing to a healthier kitchen atmosphere. Versatility: the convertible design caters to different kitchen setups, providing flexibility for installation. Ease of use: advanced control options, including gesture sensing, make the range hood user-friendly and convenient to operate. Low maintenance: the easy-to-clean aluminum mesh filters and stainless steel construction reduce the effort needed to keep the appliance in top condition.